I have here my favorite herb. This is wansoy or cilantro. Ayan. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano karami ha. Eyeball na lang to. Tansya-tansya lang. Here, this is leeks or green onions. Pero mas maganda kung spring onions, no? Kaya lang wala akong spring onions. So, it depends again sa inyo kung gaano karami yung gusto nyong dahon na sibuyas. This is 1 teaspoon na muna. Ayan. And then, maglagay tayo ng vinegar. I'm only going to put just a teaspoon of white vinegar. Kung may rice wine vinegar kayo, mas maganda. Okay? So, you can add more later kung gusto nyo mas marami. We will add sesame oil. Ito, patak-patak lang. Ayan. Sesame seeds. Ito. So, again, eyeball lang. Sesame seeds. Teaspoon lang of chili oil. Ayan. Adjust ko na lang mamaya. Next, maglalagay ako ng calamansi juice. Ngayon, prefer dito is lime or gusto yung lemon. Pero, since wala ako nun, calamansi juice na lang yung lalagay ko. Ayan. Around 2 tablespoons of water. Ayan. So, again, adjust nyo lang later kung kailangan pa ng more tubig or hindi. But, for the meantime, i-mix natin muna siya. So, ito yung aking chunky dumpling sauce. Ayan. So, I have here gyozas. Yan, or dumplings yan. Pwede rin siomai or shark's fin, yan. So, ipa-fry natin siya. Yan. So, as you can see, crispy na yung ating mga dumplings and we're going to increase the fire. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng tubig. Konti lang ha, just to steam the dumplings. Yan. Tapan natin. Cover this for 5 minutes. Yan. As you can see, nag-evaporate na yung ating water and nagiging crispy siya ulit. Okay, so patuyuin lang natin siya ng konti and we're now ready to serve our dumplings.